Right, and Stephen, you've been talking about this on social media that, you know, the word Islamophobia has become, you know, the kind of the catchphrase for all of this. You've got people on one hand saying this is a word we must use, other people saying, well, no, we mustn't use it, it's a blasphemy law by the back door. Legally speaking, what's the difference between racism and Islamophobia?
Well, that's for me, obviously, that's the interesting point. So there is what is purporting to be a definition of Islamophobia. It doesn't work.
Right.
It's far too fat. It's very badly written. It's largely contradictory. I mean, if the person who drafted it actually wants to protect Islam, then there are bits of it which exclude it. It's just really silly. It's just badly written. As a result, Islamophobia doesn't really exist. Now, ordinarily, we treat bigotry against religion as a different type of bigotry, a different class. We give a very special case to Jews and to Judaism, and that's largely because the bad people always insist that Judaism is an ethnos.
Right.
You know, in Nazi Germany, you were not allowed to stop being a Jew by just going, I've converted to Christianity, I don't want to be a Jew anymore. Right. You weren't allowed to do that. The bad people who punish and who are awful to Jewish people, never let them escape. So they are treated as a special condition. Other religions...
Well, hence anti-Semitism rather than racism.
Yeah, exactly. Well, it is anti-Semitism, hence anti-Semitism being racism.
Right.
But bigotry against other religions or disliking other religions doesn't normally get that characteristic. It's not normally a race. And it's odd to try and claim Islam as a race. It's got over 1 billion members. What racial characteristics do they share? This is, you know, and are we going to do this with Hinduism? Are we going to do this with Christianity? Where is it? Because law must be applied consistently. So if we're going to treat this like law, are we going to treat it consistently? And really, the cleft stick that the Conservatives are in is that Lee Anderson was offensive, and they don't think people should be offensive. And they should just say that. You know, we don't think our MPs should be offensive. But they're caught in this trap. And I'm with Mads that this is very much draining attention away from the fact that our Constitution was subverted. We have very serious questions about the Speaker of the House of Commons, probably the most serious questions we've had about any Speaker of the House of Commons in years. And they're all being distracted by Lee Anderson getting drunk in a bar.
Yeah. Ella, what do you make?